The CPR Ledger Query Report produces a CPR ledger, but before displaying it, it gives you the opportunity to provide a variety of different criteria. So I'm going to click on the Start button here for the CPR Ledger Query, and it's going to give us a few options here. So first we have the ability to select a specific district, or we can do any district. And then we also have the ability to do a plan account range. So we've got a from a plan account and a to plan account. And I can use the little picker tool here to be able to select those, or you can just type them in. Below that we have the CPR year range. So we've got a from value and a to value, and that just helps to filter things down by a particular time period. So before I enter any actual criteria, I'm going to click on the create with no criteria at all. So this provides just a complete set of the CPR ledger entries that are currently there. So you can see we've got a number of them in here. You probably have quite a few more than that. But now let me go in and put in some actual criteria. So I'm going to click on Start again. This time I'm going to pick a district, and I'm going to give it a specific range. So I just want to see the 364 account. So I'm going to do 364. I'm going to go up to 9999. So we just get those. And then let's say I want to see from 2000 until today. So I'm going to tell it to create. And now you'll have a much smaller version of the report data, as you can see. And so now we just have the city district. These are just the 364 accounts listed. Looks like we only have some 2017 data, so that fit within the criteria I provided, so it showed that. And now it's going to show us the current CPR values are on this side of the grid. So we've got our count, UF and CF values, the unit prices, and the total dollars there. On the right-hand side, under where it says last CPR transaction, you can see the various transactions, or the last transaction that affected that particular entry. And so in this case here, we've got it was a job transaction, a job closed that happened. There was an installation. It tells us specifically what the job number was, and then it's got the count and the dollars over on the side there. If you want, you can also use the slider control to do some additional filtering on the plan account.